Hey, welcome back to Scrapping with Brittany. Today I'm just going to show you how to use the border maker system. That includes this part, the housing, and then a cartridge. Today we're going to use the infinity chain. Okay, so first off, you want to pick your paper. I just got black so you can see it a little better. So first you want to take your cartridge, and then you want to make sure that the bottom side is down and the prongs are out, and push until it snaps. Okay, and then we're going to grab this unit here, and on the back there's a little tab. You're going to flip that open until it clicks, and this will give you your edge to line up on. Then you want to flip this up so you can see the magnetic strip. Next, we're going to put the paper inside underneath the blue, and you want to make sure that the paper lines up with the edge of the black part there. And then you want to flip your blue over so the paper will stay. Once you do that, your black piece here can flip back into the bottom, and then it should look like this. And we'll set it down, and then we will take our punch part, and that is going to go just like this. Real quick, I wanted to show you how these line up. When you first line it up, it'll be the very first ones, and it'll be even. So when you go into it, it'll fit right in. You can't slide it. You'll punch, pull it out, and you'll glide until you find the next one. So those just pop right in there. Okay, now we can start punching. Just glide that first spot, those prongs right into that first spot, and you just push down, and you want to pull the housing away like that. And if you accidentally open it, it'll line right back up. And it'll take you right back to your spot. Okay, so your first punch should look like that. And then you can go on to your next groove, punch, and continue until you're done. And this is what it should look like. And you should have a whole border, and the end should look like this. And you can open it up, release that paper, and save it for later. You will have some little punch particles here, and you can just slide that off and throw it into the trash. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. This is the border maker system. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye.